Hello student, how you all are? Hope all of you are fit and fine at home now. So today all of you take out your grammar book, that is page number 27, lesson number 5. What is in lesson number 5? You see verbs. Today we will learn about verbs, okay? Do you remember the doing words? Words that tell us what a person, animal or thing does are called doing words. These doing words are actually called verbs. That means all action or doing words are what? Verbs. You see here are some verbs. The boy is running, no? Then you see, look at the picture. Eat, row, run, drive, play. These are all action words, okay? Loratoe dori ase, ihote ki korise, now cholai ase, ছোৱালীজনীয়ে খাই আছে, ল'ৰাটোৱে ড্ৰাইভ কৰি আছে, চিলড্ৰেনে খেলি আছে. চ' দিজ আৰ একশ্যন ৱৰ্ডছ. প্ৰত্যেকে কিবা নহয় কিবা কাম কৰি আছে. অ'কে, চ' দিছ ইজ কল্ড what? Verbs. Verb means what? All action or doing words are verbs. Okay, all action or doing words are verbs. They express what? Action words or doing words, they express physical action. They express, they means yeah, verb. Verb express a physical action. They express a physical action. Then if you will say they express a physical action, then your example will be such as physical action such as what? Jump, okay, then laugh, cry, etc. And if I will say they express a mental action, then they express, they means here verb, okay? They express a mental action such as think, dream, etc. Okay, these are what? Verbs. So I hope all of you have understand what is verb. Try to practice at home. You see, this is the definition, and here also I have given you the definition. All action or doing words or verbs, they express a physical action such as jump, laugh, cry, etc. or they express a mental action such as think, dream, etc. These are what? Verbs. Okay, আমাৰ whole parts of the body কি কৰে, কিবা নহয় কিবা এটা কাম কৰি থাকে. We write with our hands. আমি হাতেৰে লিখোঁ. So write is what? Verb. Doing words, yes or no, or action words. We eat with our mouth. আমি মুখেৰে খাওঁ. So eat is what? Action or doing words. Yes or no? Birds fly in the sky. চৰাইবোৰে আকাশত উৰে. So fly is what? Action or doing words. Okay. Suppose again one example I will say, don't pluck the flowers. ফুলবোৰ নিচিঙিবা. So আমি ফুল ছিঙিলে কিহেদি ছিঙিম? আমি হাতেৰে ছিঙিম, হয় নে নহয়? So don't pluck the flowers. Pluck মানে ছিঙা. So pluck will be your action words. Okay. Then again one example I will tell you. Don't touch the electricity. Okay, sorry, don't touch the current. Don't touch the don't touch the knife, or don't touch the current with a wet hand. Don't touch the current with a wet hand. Jika hatere current nusuba. So your verb will be which one? Touch. Okay, touch will be your verb. So all of you learn nicely at your home, okay? Again you see, look at the book, that is page number 28. You see in page number 28. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs from the list given. Answer is given in the box and you have to write the correct answer from the box and fill in the blanks. Okay. Owls hoot at night. The postman drops the letter in the mailbox. Rina gathers flowers for her grandmother. Next, number 4 you see. Mother soaked dal and rice in a bowl. Next, number 5. Our father tells us stories at bedtime. Next, number 6. Children should obey their parents. Next, number 7. The peon rings the bell. Next, number 8. The dog barks at the stranger. Okay. So children, study at home nicely. Have a nice day. Bye.